Let's open up our present from Aunt Claren.
Alright, open it up. Oh, Titus, take your passy out, please. You got glasses. See what else is in there? A car.
A Lego car. Titus, you need to get a diaper on, buddy. What is it, Titus? What is it?
Oh, flower puzzle.
Neil, let me see it. Hold it up. You like it?
Frog.
Oh, you love frogs.
Dinosaurs.
Wow.
Awesome.
Whoa.
Whoa, Angry Birds.
What is? Oh, that's a yo-yo.
You have to show this to Stevie.
Oh, that's a yo-yo. You want me to show you how to do a yo-yo?
Oh, Neela, is that a new bracelet?
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
Titus, light up bracelets.
Whoa.
Mom, my dog.
You paint them.
Oh my gosh, we gotta paint that. What's that, Titus?
Big.
Baseball? Yeah.
Wow.
What's that?
Dinosaur.
Titus, you can paint your own dinosaur.
Let Titus have that one.
Give that one to Titus.
Dinosaur.
You want to paint dinosaurs?
Ooh.
Let me see, Neela.
Bracelet.
Ooh, bracelet.
Whoa.
You like that Hello Kitty thing the best, Neela?
Mm-hmm.
You keep hanging on to it. Whoa,
Titus, let me see. What is it?
Oh my gosh, look at those pretty necklaces. Titus, what'd you get in your hand over there? I like blue because you're wearing blue today. Oh, we can make some crabs. We got squiggly eyes. Oh, cool. Let me see this one. Oh,
What, Neela? Guitar?
let me see. A ball for the pool. That's awesome. Is that the card?
Well, is that for you? Or is that, there's two of them.
Look at the name on the front.
No, that's for Titus.
Pink glass.
That's for Titus. Give that one to Titus.
Here, Titus. Let's open up your card from Aunt Claren. Whoa. Let's see. Jake and the Neverland Pirates want you to join their crew, so grab your sword and come aboard. Happy birthday, matey. Love Aunt Claire. And there's a sword inside. Look what's inside. Is that cool? You can blow it up. What is it? Open your card.
Where's your card, Neela? It's in there. It's probably pink or yellow. White. Ooh, Tommy.
Okay. You need help? You did it.
You want me to read it? Okay. Okay, come here. I'll read it. It says,
Your blue glasses?
this bracelet gives you unlimited birthday powers. A birthday gift for you. Oh, Neela, it's a bracelet with charms on it.
Whoa, Neela, that's awesome. Oh, you want to put on your new bracelet so you can do this one?
Neela, come on, you'll put on your new bracelet.
Is that your
trying to get out.
Mommy, you're the baby.
They trying to get out. They're trying to get
You're
out.
a rainbow thing.
You want me to open up your frogs?
Uh-huh.
Okay, put this up.
Okay.
Orders. Alright, what do we say to Aunt Claire?
Hold on, let me open her frogs and the frogs can take.
Let it. And a frog. My frog, baby frog. My frog, baby frog.
Let's take him out. Let me help? Let me help?
No, he's doing his pirate. Ho, ho, ho.
You a pirate? Let me see your frogs. You love them?
Alright, I want everyone to say thank you, Aunt Claire, for my birthday. Right here to the camera, Neela. She's gonna
Neela.
watch it.
Thank you.
No, come here.
Thank you.
Give her a kiss.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Titus, can you say thank you for my present? Say thank you. Titus, say thank you.
No.
Why? Okay, say bye-bye, Aunt Claire.
Bye-bye, Claire.
Good job. You want to wear that necklace? Okay.
They can't fit. They can't get off it.
Ooh.